Hi there. So I was just thinking, do you know what would really make me happy in a book? Instead of seeing a stereotype, like the woman who goes to the garage and the mechanic is taking advantage of her or trying to take make repairs in trade, or maybe the criminal is the black guy, or the executive, the smart guy is the white guy. Let's stop doing all of the stereotypes and create your character with enough complexity, with enough interesting things about that character, that it doesn't matter what their color is or their gender is. None of that should matter, other than to continue and deepen in your story and just make it make sense. It is a thing, but don't be so stereotypical. Look for something unique. Be something unique. All right, I am Sydney Brown. Please subscribe for more daily tips.